Hi lovelies, thanks for tuning in once again to Vivi's World. I just want to quickly appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks to my lovely and wonderful subscribers. Thank you very much for your wonderful thumbs up. I can see all your thumbs up in all my video. I say may God bless you, and thanks for your lovely comments. Thanks for always sharing our video also, because you don't know who you may be helping with our tutorials. Thank you very much. Keep on doing the good work you know how to do best. Today I have a very beautiful and an elegant one at that tutorial to show you guys, and it's on this beautiful bracelet with me, an elegant bracelet made with pure bead. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got to design this beautiful bracelet. You see it? It's so beautiful and elegant. Thank you. So go with me to design this beautiful bracelet. You see how beautiful it is? You see? Tan 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 tan. It's so beautiful. I really love it. I love it so much. Can't wait to show you guys how I got to design this beautiful bracelet with me. Let's go there. Bye. So guys, here I have my materials that I'm going to be using for designing this bracelet. I have my kit, I have my scissors, and this is my nylon. You can also call it fishing line. So I'm fixing in the adjustable chain to the fishing line, and I'm taking out a little one of the board pin to place it there. You can see it. Now I'm taking a bead, also the gold bead. You can see how beautiful the gold bead is. It's so shiny. And here in the table you can see more of the materials. My beads are here also on the table, and I have my measuring tape also at the corner. So just watch the step I use in designing this elegant bracelet. I fixed in my pear bead in both points of the fishing line, and I'm taking one of our gold bead now, and I'll be putting it also. Then just watch, I'm going to be crossing it. Just take a closer look across the fishing line inside the gold bead. The holes are very tiny, so it's a little bit difficult to pass it through, but once you get it, it's easy. So this is our first step. So I'm going to be doing the same thing again in the second step. Take one ball of our pear bead, and both ends of the fishing line. See it? One each. Then I'll take our gold bead again for designing, then I'll cross. It's just same thing from beginning to the end. See how easy it is? You just need to know the techniques. That's all. That's all. If this is your first time of tuning into Vivi's World, please don't just leave without subscribing, and put on the notification bell also. Okay? And like, share, and I would like to see your comment. And keep watching.